Hi guys, today we are going to solve Leetcode question number 1 to 95, which is find numbers with even number of digits. The description here says that given an array nums of integers, return how many of them contain an even number of digits. So for an example, the input nums array is given as 12, 345, 2, 6, 7896. We can see that there are two integers 12 and 7896 which has even number of digits. So we will return the count of these two numbers. So the output here is given as 2. So for the solution approach, we will initialize the counter variable to 0, iterate through each element in the array, and while using the while loop, we will extract the total number of digits. We will check if the number of digits is even or not. If the number of digits is even, we will increment the counter variable, and then at the end, we will return the count variable. So the time complexity of this approach is big O of n, as we are iterating through the array once, and the space complexity is big O of 1, as we are not using any other data structure for solving this approach. Okay, so now let's move to the code. Firstly, we will initialize the integer count as 0, and we will extract the nums array length into the variable n. Now we will generate a for loop from I to equal to 0 till I is less than n. Now we will have another counter c equal to 0 for an individual element in the nums array. Now we will generate while loop where till nums of I is not equal to 0. And now we will extract the digits in the nums array using the form nums of I division by 10. So as much as we will divide it by 10, we will increment the value of c for the individual nums at nums element at a position I, and then we will check if the value of c is divisible by 2 or not. If yes, then we will increment the count variable, and at the end we will return the count variable. Okay, so now we will run this code. And it accepts all the test cases. Now we will submit it. And it beats 98.76% of the solution. So if you have any other queries, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, which is given in the description below, or you can comment on this video as well. Thank you.